Annual fee, there's no annual fee. Saktong-sakto yung dating ito dahil mag-open na yung Landers Arcovia. So what are the requirements for the Landers Cashback Everywhere credit card? Unang-una, kailangan nyo maging Landers member. If walang malapit na Landers sa inyo, it's not a problem. Pwede nyo lang download yung app and then dun kayo bumili ng membership. The important thing is makita nyo yung membership number nyo kasi you can't proceed without the Landers membership number. Nagpa-member ako ng August 16 and na-approve ako 2 months, November 13. The approval is case-to-case basis kasi yung sa akin medyo natagalan but may nakikita ako na na-approve sila within just a few days after applying. Of course, being a bank, the credit limit is subject to evaluation ng Maya Bank. So it can range from 5 digits to 7 digits. Kasi may mga nakita ko na yung iba, 1 million yung binibigay na credit limit ng Maya Bank. Take your membership to the next level. So what I like about this card is ito, yung 5% rebate niya sa Landers. But take note, it's up to 5%, so it's not guaranteed. You need to spend my minimum requirement for you to get the 5%. 2% on dining, medyo limited pa yung choices niya kasi ilang restaurants lang yung nakita ko dun sa app. But I think pasok siya dito sa everywhere else. Kaya siya tinawag na Landers Cashback Everywhere. Kasi kahit saan mo siya gamitin, may cashback ka na ayan yung minimum niya, 1%. Interest, just like any other banks, 3% yung interest niya. That is if you fail to pay the minimum due dun sa due date nyo. Take note that wala siyang annual fee pero yung Landers membership nyo will be automatically billed dito sa credit card. One more thing I like about this card is kayo ang pipili ng billing date nyo. Kapag pina-enter na ni Maya yung source of income nyo, yung reference person, huwag nyo madaliin kasi yun yung time na pipili kayo ng billing date nyo. And hindi ko alam kung mababago pa siya, pero just to be safe, dahan-dahan lang. The only downside is hindi nyo pwede pa convert into installment yung mga transactions nyo unlike other banks.